Hello guys, how you doing? It's a guy here. I'm coming again with a new video. Today I'll show you something special about timing belt. I would like to tell you something. Yesterday I was on this car to do service job, and I just checked everything, just to replace the valve cover gasket and the crankshaft front seal. It's leaking down there, as you can see. Already replaced. And I checked timing belts. Look what I found. So how could you leave the customer's cat like this? Nobody even checked for the last 20 years, It's amazing. Of course, it's a small engine, 1.2. The Fiat Panda 1.2 4x4, It's a small engine, one cam. But when I checked the service booklet from Fiat, the last service, it was 80,000 kilometers, all right? So it's now 99,000 kilometers on it. Nobody is checked it before. If something happened, highway driving, city driving, whatever, and the engine is totally damaged, that because it's an interference angle engine, Please, if the customer are believing in you, then bring the car for you. You just check everything, every single things. Every single things. And this is the way it is. I already fixed it. I'm going to fix the back. So this is it for today. The most important is that if the customers are bringing the car for you, that's to check top to bottom, front to rear. But I'm appreciating that this is the old part, and I think it's a genuine one, that's hold on everything for last 20 years. And Fiat says changing the timing belt 120,000 kilometers on it, or 5 years. That's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe, leave comment. Bye bye.